authorization to proceed to Lira on the process.
Mosaic, I think there's a clarification needed on that premium.
Jackson.
Now, Your Excellency, since we received the letter from the Minister of Finance declaring this effective, we now have 500 of the Spiro bikes on the road.
You got how many?
500, sir.
Oh, you have already brought some?
Yes, sir. They're in the country.
Also, I think it can be a good use for the government, because if the police force or the other force wants to use, there will be no theft of fuel because the bikes don't use fuel. So you'll be actually able to ensure that they are much more economical. Other thing, Excellency, we can also work with the government to launch a program to replace all the cars that government have with electric cars. So we are doing some program like this in another country where we are replacing entire government fleet with electric cars. So we can do something similar in the country. So both with the armed forces as well as with the government, we can do that. The third thing, Excellency, very clearly we are also working on bringing matatu and the tuk-tuks, electric tuk-tuks. We expect by October we should have some first trials, and Q1 next year we should launch electric tuk-tuks across the country. And again, like we're doing with the bikes, we expect 30 to 40% reduction in the cost of ownership as we do that. Overall, I would say we are very happy and satisfied with the progress made, and thanks to your entire government and the team in making it possible. So a big thank you for that, Excellency.
So, Minister Kaseja, I have already agreed with these people to give them tax-free for their motorbikes, which are electric. They are going to bring them here. I say no taxes. You just bring them. No taxes. They will tell you the details of this tax. They will bring and then make here. They will bring some
and assemble.
Then start assembling. They will bring for how many months?
18 months, sir.
14 months they want to import, test the market, and then start assembling here. And I have given them the tax-free, so that we go from the diesel to the electric.